How we doing, everybody? This is that R nerd coming at you with a quick video on how to do bar charts in Excel. If you want to follow along, I'll leave a link down in the description. You can download the file and go right along with us. Or if not, I'll put some timestamps down below on where we start plotting and other stuff. So this is the link. Just follow it here. Download Bridges Data version 1. And then make sure to rename this as a CSV file. You can do this in on Windows as well. But just throw a .csv extension at the end. And then we'll be able to open this right inside of Excel. Pretty neat, eh? Open in Excel. All right, so we have Bridges Data version 1. Let's zoom this in a little bit. And so the variable we're going to want to plot here is this J column. And what this is what type of material they're using to build bridges in Pittsburgh. And so we have 3 different types of material that we're using here. We have wood, so I'm just going to copy it because I'm lazy. We have iron. And of course, Pittsburgh is the steel city, so we got some steel. All right, over here we're going to put the frequencies. And here we're going to use a function. You can count these up by hand, but that's a pain. So what we're going to use is a countif function. And so what we're going to do is equals count if. Okay? Now you can click here, or you can just do an open parenthesis. And what we're going to do is the range. So this is where are we looking? And then we want to do a comma. And then the criteria, we're going to put a quote and would. And so if we just take a look at this function, it's basically saying we're going to look at column J, and if it's a would, we're going to count it. And so wood shows up 16 times, so it counts it 16 times. All right, we'll do a count if iron. Oh, I guess the range, so column J. And the criteria is if it says iron. And there are 11 of those. And the last one, we'll do a count if. Look at our range. Count if it's steel. Ayo, we got our frequencies. Nice. We'll put a total down here, just make sure we didn't miss anything. And for that we can do sum and grab these 3 boxes there. 106, and if we come look down, we have 106 rows, but 2 have missing data, so let's delete those. So we have 106 where we're actually counting things. All right, we're pretty much done. We're cooking now. So let's highlight the data that we want to plot, and we'll go to Insert, and this first one here is a bar chart. Now, I highly suggest you just do a 2-column. Okay, these 3D ones might look okay, but they don't really. You lose a lot of information with 3D bar charts. So we'll just do a 2D bar chart. We have chart title here, which we can switch. So we'll say type of material on Pittsburgh bridges. Hopefully that's all spelled correctly and so forth. But, you know, that's pretty much it. We have wood, iron, steel. We have their counts or their frequencies over here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So there are a couple other things we can do. If we wanted to, we could add data labels. And that's pretty much just going to show on top the counts so that you don't have to kind of estimate with your eyeballs where it's at. It'll tell you exactly what it is. We could also switch some colors. Let's see, format data series. Come over to the colors, and we could do a solid fill, this nice ugly green color. We could do a border if we wanted. We'll just do a solid line. We'll just leave it as black. All right, so you can do it like that. As well, they have some nice formats already for you. So if you go up here to chart design, you can click on any of these and it'll switch it. My personal favorite is this black one with blue bars. Looks nice and clean. Big fan. Big fan. The last thing I'll say is you might want to do a Pareto chart, which is where you have the bars from high to low. And so to do that, we can just highlight our data and do a sort filter and then a custom sort. Over here you can choose which column you want to sort it by. So if you had more than one column you could pick, but really we just have frequencies. So we want to sort by frequencies, and then for Pareto it's highest to lowest. So we're going to go largest to smallest and slap the OK button, and there we have it, a Pareto chart. It's just beautiful. I mean, really it's a work of art is what we have going on here. It's beautiful. Okay, if you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you want to see the best Excel content. I also do R if you're privy to the R. I have that as well. And thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. We'll see you in the next one.